Alright, howdy YouTube, this is Charles.
And this is John.
And today we're actually going to go ahead and try to finish up some of the camper. So what we're going to do is we're going to paint the white top half of the lightning bolt. We're going to change out the hardware. And then over here, we got this glitter sealer. Clear coat the camper with. Introduce you guys to some new friends that we have. So I'm going to be working on the sides while John's working on the back. We're going to get the white done today, and then hit her with some clear coat. Easy, baby, jumping spider.
Don't get stuck on it. Oh.
Boing, boing, boing. Little jumping spider. Boing, boing. 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 Boing, The glitter is not glitter. There's no glitter. What the no glitter? Rust-Oleum. Get with your shit. There she is, guys. Got the paint done. Now I just got to put on the black pinstriping. So we're gonna have a black pinstripe. And then the trailer frame, will be black in the bumper and the hitch. I added new latches. Here's the other side. A few touch-ups that'll need to happen. Take a look inside real quick. Oh, I thought we flipped everything back. Well, as you can see, we put a new floor in, painted our counters. We made new curtains. And I think we got maybe about a year or two left in this canvas before we really probably have to replace the canvas. And then we'll order new canvas from Bear Creek. So if you guys are just checking us out for the first time, be sure and check out our other videos on this camper series, because we talk about how we got all the decals off, how we primed for painting, we put new wheels on, put a rubber roof on, new floor on the inside, prime and painting on the inside. We updated all the marker lights all the way around to LED. She's 30 years old, looking 30 years younger.